Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make moi-moi in the simplest way ever, and all you need is some peeled soaked beans, some vegetable oil, some egg just to pack up some more protein in your food, some crayfish, more protein, and some seasoning cubes, salt and curry, and I have some red bell pepper, red chili pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger. Apart from the flavor the red pepper and chili gives to your food, it also gives this bright red color to your moi-moi that I really love. So of course you can use any spice of your choice. So here we're going to just quickly blend up all our ingredients and mix them up all together and get cooking. Moi-moi is one very protein rich Nigerian food. It's completely healthy, and because of the texture, children can have it, even babies can have it. Babies who can eat food can have it. The hassle of making moi-moi is just because of the you have to put them into little packs or make a pack out of foil paper or into plastic forms and all that. In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid all of that hassle. So here I'm putting in the red pepper and just blend it up together so you can see the bright color that it gives to your moi-moi. I love this part. So I'm going to save some here to blend the crayfish. Yeah, here I have my crayfish rinsed properly and blend with the remaining paste so I don't add too much water. So here we have all our ingredients all blended up and mixed all that together. And then for the seasoning, instead of just adding it like that, I like to mix it up with some water so I don't have too salty patches. It doesn't dissolve properly. And I do the same for the cubes as well. Break them up and mix them with some water before adding it into moi-moi. So by doing so, like I said, you avoid having salty patches or chunk of seasoning cubes in the whole moi-moi when you're done. So then you mix that in properly, and then go ahead and add some oil. I put that in the microwave for like a minute or two so it's a bit warm, and then you mix that up properly so it's completely mixed up. You can see the streaks of oil, then you know you've not mixed it up properly. So just mix that in a little more and then add some warm water. Because we're going to be baking the moi-moi, it's good you add a little bit more water. Yeah, this is how you make the patches I said before. You just fold the edge of the foil paper to avoid leakage. And then you see in the front there's a space like this where you can pour in your moi-moi, and then you seal that back up. Imagine you're gonna make like 20 packs of this or 100. Well, that takes too long and is a waste of foil paper. So all you do is just take a baking foam like this one or a regular cake pan and just pour in your moi-moi and put that in the oven. But one quick trick or one quick point to note is that when you're baking your moi-moi, you have to add little more water than usual so you don't have your moi-moi too hard, because your moi-moi is gonna go in the oven, which means it's gonna dry. It's gonna dry out some more water as compared to when you're cooking in the regular traditional way. So add some more water to make up for the water loss in the oven. So I'm gonna put in some eggs. I just slice them. You can put them whole or halves. Anyhow, you can use fish, any kind of fish, tuna fish or mackerel or even beef. Just do whatever you like. So I cover it in the with the foil just to prevent the moi-moi from having this hard crust on top of it when it's baked in the oven like this. So you put that in the oven and let it bake for about an hour, and your moi-moi should be ready to serve. So here we have our moi-moi completely cooked and ready to serve. Wow. You can serve your moi-moi, you can have that with pap, or you can just have it by itself. It's absolutely healthy, and of course it's an easier way to make it. You can see how soft that is. It's not too soft, not too hard. The perfect texture you would want for your moi-moi. I'll quickly show you how to preserve your moi-moi if you've made a lot. So you can either cover it up with a foil paper like this and put that in the fridge. It can last up to a few days depending on the temperature of your fridge. Or you can take a Ziploc bag and just cut them into large chunks and just pack up the bag and put that in the freezer. It can last as long as you want it to last, as long as it's frozen all the time. If you're gonna have it, I would advise you don't microwave it directly. You can leave that on your counter and allow it to frost by itself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.